Mahendra Sarkar, attorney of Chikolna Kumdat, from 2019 to 2000 till 2027 कळ्ळें न्ही. सो आमकां प्रॉब्लेम अशें कांय ना व्हडलें, पण आमी आतां नेक्स्ट आमचो प्लॅन म्हणटा तो आमी आतां प्लॉट्स करतले मेंबरांक, गव्हर्मेंट सर्वंट्स आनी पब्लीक ऑक्शन. हें आमचो फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी. आमी तशेंच आमी कम्युनिटी हॉल बांदतात, ताजे बरोबर कम्युनिटी हॉल बांदतले आमी. आनी चिकोलना कुमदात ही आमी आज खूब वयर आयले, आमची वयर काडल्या आमी खूब त्रास मेहनत घेवन. आनी आमच्यो मातशें आमी गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन मागतात की गव्हर्मेंट आमकां सपोर्ट करतात, आमचो MLA पसून सपोर्ट करता आमकां, पण एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह ऑफिसान न्ही आमचें मातशें स्लो जाता काम. जे कितें फायली वता पळय ते स्लो वता, तो इतलोच प्रॉब्लेम, आनी कांय आमकां प्रॉब्लेम ना.
आनी काय डिफिकल्टीज फेस करतात?
डिफिकल्ट कांयच ना आमकां चिकोलना कुमदात कांयच डिफिकल्टी ना. सगळें गव्हर्मेंट आमकां हेल्प करता, MLA हेल्प करता, दोनी MLA आमकां हेल्प करतात, वास्कोचोय करता, चिखलेचोय करता आमकां. सो आमकां तशें हें कांय ना.
I have to say that we are doing a lot of good work to benefit only the members, first the members and then the general public, and we are going to continue our good work
Okay. What
in
are
accordance with the law and with great support from the government and the Court of Comunidad.
what will be your priorities for the Chikolna community?
Priorities right now, as passed by the last general body, is for the land which we have to be developed and for the public and the members to take maximum use of it, because it's difficult to get rid of encroachers once they take free land. And it's not their fault, because they are there, land is there, available, free, and they just come and sit on it.
These elections were to the Chikolna Comunidad, and all the office bearers have been elected unopposed, which shows the committee working very well, having done good work in the past, and the same committee which has been re-elected with just one change. I think it augurs well for the smooth functioning of Chikolna Comunidad. They want to do something for the people, the members of the Comunidad, the Zonekars. At the same time, they want to protect their land, and this is what their aim is. This augurs, I think, well for the future of Comunidad in Goa.